Hello chat. In this video we will see cone geometry problem. Given an upside down cone filled with liquid with properties as an image. The cone will be flipped. Luckily there is lid so the liquid stay in the container. Now what is the new height of the liquid? You can pause the video and try it yourself. But this problem takes some times. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every count matters. Thank you. First, focus on the first image. We can see there are two similar triangles. Redraw it so we can focus on the triangle. Using similarity theorem now we can find x. We get x equals 8. Now you wonder, what is this 8 used for? This will be our radius for our cone-shaped liquid, so we can calculate the volume. We continue to the second image or the second state of our problem. We can see there are two similarity triangles again. Redraw it so we can focus on the triangle. From here, we can get the relationship between R and H. We made R equals expression first, saving this step for H equals expression. Now we have these information. We also know that the liquid volume from first image is equals for the second image. But for the second image, the liquid looks like pudding shape. Well, I don't know the formula for the pudding shape. What I know that pudding shape is from big cone, but you cut small cone at the top. From first image, we know the big cone height is 30 and the radius is 12. For the small cone, for now we call the radius as R, and from the image we know the height is 30 minus h. Now simplify the equation. Now we have R and H relationships. We can try to substitute it. But which one you will choose? The first thought is we want H, so we substitute R to get H value. But it will be too complex. Don't believe me? Could be your homework then. Try it and comment your result. For now, I substitute H. Now we get R. Now calculate the H. We get H equals 3.325. Do you get it yourself? Comment below, what do you think of this problem? Thanks for watching.